made it, and we are staying at All Star Sports. And here is pretty much the room because there's pretty much only one room, a little sick place and a bathroom. But let's look at some of the details. Look at this table. Look at this thing. I don't know what it is. I think it's just decorative, but it goes around the whole room. And a star. There's a star. Pluto plays basketball. I did not know that, but there's Pluto being an all-star. I want this. Can we have this? Ant, get on this. Get me this. It's coat rack. I want it. Sink. Mirror. Shower. Toilet. I like the shower curtain though. That's pretty cool. It has Daisy, Donald, Goofy, Minnie, Mickey. So now that that's taken care of, I think I'm gonna head to find food or to go to a park. Not sure yet. We'll figure it out. I should also add that it comes with a refrigerator, which is that's the refrigerator, and that's the TV. Refrigerator, TV, refrigerator, TV, and 3 drawers. 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. I just think this is really cute. And they have basketball over there, and tennis over there, and surfing behind me. Oh, look, surfing! And it surrounds the pool. Magic! Oh, pretty! There's nothing like Pinocchio's pizza and fries. Pizza and fries and water. This is where we're hiding. It's great. Oh, the people. This is what happens when you're short and try and see things. You just see people. And you go up there and there's, more people. Oh.
Pretty awesome.
All the madness. The madness. Oh my goodness! This is super exciting. There are just phones and cameras and phones and everything. Wow. Toy Story Land to get in line for something. Yay!
Lit up.
Everything is so dark, but it's awesome.
Awesome in the dark.
Look how cool this looks. Wow.
We're gonna droid unlock this for us and we'll get in this big
I want to touch it.
Touch it.
R2-D2, where are you?
There's a droid hole right there.
Is there?
Yeah, droid hole.
Right there. I call it the droid hole.
Is that what they call it?
That is what they call it.
Please show your identification. That's our response. Your identification. Fine. Move along. I'm keeping my eye on you.
Oh my goodness.
The resistance is active here. Have you seen anything suspicious?
No.
The First Order welcomes your allegiance. Very well. Move along.
What? Very cool. This is so cool. To the ride. We're going. We're doing stuff. 300 minutes. Are you ready for that? Oh.
Activate turbo lock. Oh. No, that's not. That's the thrust vectors again.
Look at that stuff.
Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. Welcome.
Wow, we're here. We're here. We're doing stuff.
Pew, 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 pew. We have over here.
Very cool. Orange. This is so cool. I'm going to be a pilot. I am afraid for our ship. We're heading in. We're heading in. Buttons. All the buttons.
Right up.
Walking through.
Oh my gosh!
And it's daylight. Super cool. Ah.
Am I gonna have to tell me more?
Ooh, let's go to the store. Whee! Those are really crazy looking. This guy's cool. Oh. Panorama. Droid stuff and things. Oh! So they are picking their parts.
Grabbing our cards.
Oh. Wow.
Putting it together.
Whoa.
We have an assistant. Show us how it's done.
Ooh. Ah.
She's just a basket maker. I do this on my own. It's my Anakin rite of passage.
So, these lights are Tim's body around.
Okay.
That's really his friends. We're gonna go on like that. Once you have you're gonna use this 50 little screw tight next bolts up right there on the side. There are 2 screws. You don't need a screw for the head or this peg. They'll just slide right on.
Awesome.
And then lastly, you have little. I completely lost my train of thought. You have little attachments that you can put on. These will go right here on the side, and these will go right here on the front. We sell them in purple. We only have them in red, black, blue, and white.
Whoa. Ow. It slides right in.
There's a lip here that matches.
Ah. Very cool. And that, I think she said, just goes right in.
Yeah. Okay. Same thing there. There's a dip there. There's a lip there.
Ah. And now you put in these things.
Yes, I'll take blue.
Whenever you're ready for activation, just press the button right there.
Nice.
I think these are the BB ones. Looks like
All right.
cool.
Very cool. All right, time to activate.
Exciting, I know. Just give you a little warning, the droids are a little disoriented when they first get activated. Kind of like me when I wake up. And hit the activation button. So it usually takes a few moments. No, your maker's that.
Oh, there we go. Woohoo. You went for an R2 unit as well. Whoa.
But yeah, they will extract independently of their controller. Let me give you a quick lesson on the controller. Very simple, forward, backward, left, right. This turns the head.
It looks pretty cool.
All right, let's go ahead and get our friend activated. Wake up, sleepyhead. All right, we're ready to go. Activating. Let's go go ahead, slide this in here, make sure our wires are connected. Perfect. Hit that activate button for me.
Oh, look at that! Build your own lightsaber. Ain't it cool?
Sabers.
Hi.
Are you ready
I'm ready.
to build a lightsaber?
I am so ready.
Nice.
Been hearing this for months.
Months, you say? Wow. Very cool. Whoa. They're gonna build stuff.
I think that you've met most everyone. You may call me Kembe. I've been waiting a very long time for this moment. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Oh, yeah. Well, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey. Where she is leading us is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for, which is why you are here, to look forward, to build this. A lightsaber. Now it's time to choose your crystal. Everyone close your eyes for me, please. And take a deep breath. Now picture it in your mind. Which color is calling to you? What color do you see? Which color is yours? Excellent choice. Excellent choice. Do you see it?
What color did you go for? Ooh. What about you? Also violet?
Well done, everyone. You've chosen your crystal. Now please place it right here on the crystal holder in front of you. All right, everyone. Let's build.
Great sons. My name is Jacob, and I'm going to help you build today. So we'll start with our chest, with the lines facing towards the top, as well as our kyber crest.
You must complete that pair. You cannot choose another piece from a different pair.
If you have any difficulty tightening those, just
Let me
let me
know
know.
if you need any assistance. Glue the blue, like so. Or the bottom. But one thing you want to make for certain is you want that very thick part to be towards the activation points. Should be able to twist them with a couple twists. Let me know if you need any assistance. No, that's fine. That helps if you really squeeze the activation point. So you want this on the bottom or the top? Absolutely. Just like so.
Nice.
Now it may not line up perfectly.
It's got a nice weight to it.
Oh yeah? I know you.
Oh, he went with the claw. Big tooth. Yeah, I had a feeling he was going to pick that one.
See, you already have it. Pummel count ready to
I
go.
almost feel like a green blade would be very fitting for that style lightsaber. Very elemental, very natural.
Exactly. Now we get to choose our pummel count. On the very bottom, twist on much like the American. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.
Wow, one and two.
Yeah, I'll need to get the belt thing.
We've all completed our hills. Nothing dramatic happened. But now it is time for the most dangerous part of the build. Stabilizing the crystal for activation. Now please step back. What is happening?
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become.
Place your hands on your hills. And activate.
Whoa.
Builders, raise your lightsabers.
Wow.
You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate your lightsaber.
so cute. Oh, the stormtroopers today. And now to watch Star Wars: A Galaxy Far, Far Away.
You can run, but you can't hide.
All remaining systems will bow to the last order!
It seems we have a deserter. One of our troops has abandoned his unit.
The rebellion is reborn today. The war is just beginning.
Look how cool it is! And we got seats and we got menus. Let's do it. I think you want that. I'm terrible at this whole vlog thing because I just stirred it up and started drinking it without doing this. But there it is. The hyperdrive. It just tastes like cherry. That's all it tastes like. Oh no!
I'm still getting used to our
I did it!
Yay!
You're so far away.
Oh no! But that was like a really cool day, and it was like 2 days in one. 2 days in one!
2 days in one?
Yeah, there was no sleep.
This was like 4 days in one.
No sleep in Disney.
No sleep till Batu.
That's a good one. That's a good one. But had a great time today. It was a really, really cool experience to be here for the opening. And that's it. See you guys later. Mikey's out.